Mga ka-positive, welcome to LMK. Tatanungin ko lang ang tatalino ng LMK, walang iba kundi si Sir Box. So, Sir Box, base sa mga naalala mo, what is the difference between the gasoline engine and the diesel engine?
Ano sir, by the book tayo?
By the book.
Normally, kung by the book tayo, gasoline engine is an internal combustion engine that uses more volatile liquid fuel. This fuel is mixed with air into carburetor before it is taking into cylinder for compression. Diba? And combustion is a meter pinnatin na mixed by main spark. Kaya papasok na yung spark.
Amazing!
And what is
But
diesel? Yes?
The diesel engine is an internal combustion engine that uses low grade fuel known as a diesel engine. Wherein, during compression stroke, only air will compress and fuel oil injected through the injector at the instant and maximum compression when enough heat is developed to ignite the fuel. Yun ang diferensya doon.
Very well said, Sir Box. Till next time, mga ka-positive.
Magkapa!